Do you know what are the possible implications of 5G for many businesses and society? Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we will be discussing the potential implications of 5G technology for various industries and society. So, before starting this video, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. The fifth generation of mobile networks or 5G technology provides faster speeds, lower latency, and more dependable connectivity. Let's find out its possible impact on different industries. Implications of 5G technology for various industries. 5G technology is likely to revolutionize a wide range of industries. With its faster and more reliable connectivity, businesses could operate more efficiently and effectively, leading to increased productivity and revenue. Industries such as transportation, manufacturing, and logistics could benefit from improved connectivity and automation, while healthcare and education could see significant improvements in data transmission and remote access. Telecommunications industry. One of the biggest potential implications of 5G technology is for the telecommunications industry. The telecom sector is one of the most likely industries to be affected by 5G technology. Telecom providers can provide more advanced services like augmented and virtual reality with speeds that are significantly faster than 4G. By allowing more immersive experiences, this could revolutionize the entertainment business. In addition, the use of autonomous vehicles may be made possible by 5G technology, which may completely alter the transportation sector. Self driving vehicles may become a reality, enhancing road safety and efficiency with faster and more dependable connectivity. Healthcare industry. The use of 5G technology may have great benefits for the healthcare sector as well. Doctors and other healthcare co-workers could deliver more effective and efficient remote treatment if they could transfer vast amounts of data rapidly and reliably. People in rural or remote places would have easier access to healthcare, and doctors might identify illness and recommend treatments more successfully. Also, 5G technology may make it possible to use wearable gadgets like glucose monitors and fitness trackers that send real time data to medical professionals. Manufacturing industry. 5G technology may also be useful for the manufacturing sector. The IoT could increase the automation and efficiency of manufacturing, hence, lowering the demand for manual labor. Increased productivity and cost savings may result from this. Additionally, 5G technology may make it possible to deploy drones and robotics, which might completely alter how commodities are manufactured and distributed. Retail industry. 5G technology could also have a big impact on the retail sector as well. Retailers could provide customers with more immersive and interactive shopping experiences if connectivity was faster and more dependable. Customers could virtually try on items or see how furniture might look like in their houses using augmented reality. Also, the use of cashier-less stores where customers might just leave with their goods without the requirement for conventional checkout procedures may be made possible by 5G technology. Implications of 5G technology for society. The use of 5G technology will have a big impact on society as a whole. 5G technology is able to bridge the digital divide by providing faster and more dependable connectivity to underserved places and improving access to vital services like education. Also, it might make it possible for new businesses to thrive and jobs to be created, improving the economy. Economic growth. The growth of economic system could be significantly impacted by 5G technology. Businesses could operate more effectively and efficiently, boosting productivity and revenue with faster and more dependable connectivity. Additionally, the IoT, autonomous vehicles, and smart cities could all be enabled by 5G technology, opening up new job opportunities and boosting the economy. Education sector. The use of 5G technology could have greater benefits for the educational sector. No matter where they are, students may have access to more sophisticated learning resources and materials if massive amounts of data could be transmitted rapidly and reliably. This might result in better learning results and more educational options. Privacy and security. While 5G technology does indeed have a lot of potential benefits, there are also concerns regarding security and privacy. Sensitive data could be compromised or hacked due to the 5G technology's greater connectivity and data transmission. To keep sensitive information secure, it is crucial for businesses and governments to give cybersecurity and privacy measures top priority. 5G technology has the potential to transform numerous industries and society at large. The healthcare sector could provide more effective care remotely, the telecom sector could provide more sophisticated services, and the manufacturing sector could automate and improve its efficiency. Yet, there may be drawbacks to 5G technology as well, such as potential job losses and detrimental effects on health. The possible advantages and disadvantages of 5G technology should be taken into account when it is implemented further. That's it for today. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out any of the new uploads. If you know anything about any other industry that 5G could have an effect on, please mention in the comment box.